Being a small business owner, I make hand-painted circle skirts, but I also make sparkly hairnets. I got this idea of making a video of how I wear my sparkle hairnets from a lovely comment on one of my shorts, and I thought it'd be perfect to just show you all the ways that I wear them, and it would give you more of an idea what sizes to use. I've never explained how I arrived to wearing sparkle hairnets. To be honest, I'm not the best at vintage hair. I love my vintage curls, but arguably my hair is too long to have the curl hold all day. It will look nice for the first couple of hours, but like towards the end of the night, my hair was always falling flat. Like curls completely gone. I forgot to mention the wind. The wind will completely ruin a good hair day, but if you're wearing a net, you don't have to worry about it. I don't wear a hairnet. I'm always fussing around with the curl. With a hairnet, I just pop it on and I don't fuss around with my hair or even worry of how it looks. I know it looks perfect. And with my shop, you could pick the color hairnet that you want. I like to match it with the outfit that I'm wearing or the accessory color. I'll have like a matching hairnet. You can incorporate it to your own style, which I always love to see. I'm going to show you how all the ways I like to wear it. I've had my hair in a bun all day. My hair is like down to my lower back, so I'll show you the sizes that I use. For this one, I'm gonna make little like kitten ears. I'd say this is like my go-to lazy style. I just have like a little poof here. You absolutely don't need help putting this on. I do it by myself all the time. Not. And I put it over my head, and just for placement for right now, I put a bobby pin so it holds it while we put it over the hair. Your hairnet like this. So I go around, just shove my hair inside. Make sure it's stretched each side of your hair. And then I just stretch it out. Sit underneath. That way you can't see the knot in your hairdo, and then so it just looks like really seamless. And that's it. That's it for this style. Walk around all day, your hair is gonna be perfect. Okay, so that's one look down. This is my more 1940s look. I incorporate two hairnets using one for the bumper bang, a 20-inch size. Put it on like that, and then this excess part, just tuck it in underneath like that. Then I'll place the bobby pin there. So this is like your full little bumper bang. And then for the sides, I do a little victory roll. And then it'll also just hide what's up here. Before I do the sides, I put my 30-inch hairnet for the back of the hair, put a bobby pin on the top like we did before, and then I section off and tease and do a little messed up victory roll. But for this one, it turned out okay for just looking at the camera. It would look better if I, did it in the mirror. So it's my little victory roll, and I get to wear my hair half up, half down, both having the sparkles in the front and in the back. Double the sparkle. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to use it as a bun. I do get this comment a lot saying, why don't you sell smaller sizes? But the bun sizes that I've found are 19 inches and my smallest size is a 20-inch. So unless I find a smaller net, I'll incorporate it, but I'll show you that you could totally use my 20-inch net for a bun. So let me show you. You can skip this step, but I like to have a thick bun. So I place a sponge underneath my low ponytail. And then from here, you want to get your 20-inch hairnet and put a straight pin above the ponytail. And I make sure all the hair is in the net. And then I do a little twist and I make a bun. And I tuck the hair underneath the hairnet and then place bobby pins to hold it in place. Now I did this without looking in the mirror, so the bun would look a little less wonky, but this is how I do a bun, and I incorporate a 20-inch hairnet. If you want one, I'll link my shop down in the description and they're all made to order. Thank you guys for watching. I know my videos don't get a lot of views, but the ones that are here, thank you so much for supporting me. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.